Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So on this video I'll be teaching you guys how to create a Gmail account without using a phone number. So to get started, just come to your email and come to where you say add account. So it's going to carry to this place, and what you're going to choose, you're going to choose on Google account. Yes. So you just have to wait to load. So right now you can see that it's asking me to put my Gmail or create a Gmail. So I'm just going to put create a Gmail. So you can create a Gmail either for personal use or for your business. So I'm just doing it for this video. So I'm creating it for a personal use. So I'm clicking on personal use. So I just have to pick a random name. Okay. So you press next and choose any date of birth. So I'm just picking. You press next. So it's going to ask you to choose your username. So it suggests two usernames for me. Like the username it suggests for me was km3095 935 gmail.com, and the other one was mkey93171 gmail.com. If you don't like any of this thing that you want a custom one for yourself, you can just click on here when it says create a Gmail address. So you can pick anyone you want. You can just say keyway fps, and it's going to load, but I don't want that. So I'm just going to pick any random name from here, like key m. So I'm picking the key m. Choose any password of your shares. So I'm just putting my password. So you can see here, it's saying add a phone number. That is asking you to add a phone number. You can just press skip. So I'm going to skip it. It says Google review account information. You cannot use this Gmail address to sign in later. So I'm pressing next. So this is the privacy and terms and conditions. Click agreed. And you can see that our email is being created. So let's just wait, it's loading. Checking. So you have to come back to this place. Click on this account, this setting here. It's going to take you here. You can see that the account we just created is right here. So this is the account we just created. So you can use to open any different site, maybe sign up for Facebook or TikTok, different things. So this is how to create an email account without using a password and without a phone number. So thank you guys for watching. See you on the next video. Please like and subscribe and share this video so YouTube algorithm can push it to many users who may need this video.